how to crop the overlay video in YT Create application. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can crop the overlay video in YT Create application. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. Open the YT Create application and you can see I have already added a photo of the overlay. Now if I wanted to crop this photo, I can just simply tap right here. I can scroll the list and you can see the crop option. Just tap right here on the crop. Now you can see I can crop this photo. Now I have to tap on done and you can see this photo will be cropped. So this is how you can easily crop the overlay photo or the video in YT Create application. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.